this is Wendy. She's one of our interns from True Springs, and she is getting ready to graduate. She's been with us for about 9 months now. The program lasts about a year long. Wendy has learned many skills in culinary arts. She's learned how to make many dishes.
Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I love the people here. I love the work I do.
We teach them just basic skills, how to cook, how to make a lasagna for your family, how to show up to work on time, how to schedule your doctor's appointments appropriately. These are a lot of things that some of these men and women have never done or never been taught. Just trying to teach them a different way of life than what they've been shown. And that's a big passion of mine at the food mill. This is our 3rd year now doing this.
Hi, Joe. Hopefully one day I'll be on the grill.
Manuel started in the hallway just doing basic knife skills. He was not on the grill. He worked his way up to the grill. And he's done an outstanding job with his culinary skills and learned a lot of saute, grill. Service and giving back to those who need help. It has become the biggest passion of mine to help those who suffer from food insecurity as well as substance abuse. Recovery is possible. The Lord is there. If you turn and walk in His footsteps, He will provide what's necessary for you. He'll provide those people that are necessary in your life. He'll provide the tools necessary to become a member of society, as we all should, thriving, sober, and successful.